Happy to have Xactwallet, and we're going to learn all about their user-friendly wallet. Their wallet is built for the Hedera network, of course, and it's to control all your assets on and manage and preview NFTs. So that's exciting to hear about. And they're also working to connect securely to Hedera Hashgraph dApps. So that's going to be really exciting news to hear for the community. Baptista a minute to introduce himself to the community. Would you like to say hello to the community, Baptiste, and also tell them basically what Xactwallet is all about?
Yes. Hello, everyone. I'm Baptiste. I'm from France. I work for Exact and on Xactwallet. I'm like a product manager now for Exact team. So we do a wallet for Hedera Graph. The fun thing is mostly we worked on another project related to Hedera Graph first. We worked on an application to tokenize luxury products, diplomas, etc. into NFT on Hedera Graph. And we figured out that we needed a wallet to connect to this main application. So we did Xactwallet and released it for the community. Xactwallet is a user-friendly wallet designed for NFTs, but also to manage your HBAR. And the important thing about Xactwallet is ability to connect to decentralized application based on Hedera Graph. So we will provide solution for developers to integrate Xactwallet to their application like Wallet Connect did for other networks. So basically, you can interface to Hedera Graph users' account securely without asking for private key. So that's it. We are working actively on Xactwallet right now. We
And
just
is it going to be like a wallet that you can purchase NFTs from the age bar?
Yes, exactly. We provide this kind of solution. Basically, we will provide all the solution for marketplace
Uh-huh.
wanting to be built on Hedera Graph. If you are a marketplace developer, you can ask us, and we provide resource to integrate the wallet. So users can directly buy NFT online. They can soon make a bid on NFT.
Uh-huh.
They will be able to transfer associate token automatically. So we have a set of solution designed for simplicity, for making it easy for developers to integrate.
But you also do third-party dApps, so developers can get onto the mainnet at Hedera.
Yes, they actually we just finished integration of HIP 17 and 18 right now, so we are ready now to provide this documentation for developers. It's free. We provide also a dev center so they can generate freely API keys to integrate Xactwallet. Any developers, you can be a marketplace, but if you want to, I don't know, develop a game, for example, you can use our solution to interface with Hedera Graph users account securely. I say securely because it's important to know that Xactwallet is a non-custodial wallet. So your keys, your private keys, are in your device in a key store file system built in your device by Apple or Google, Android. And you will not have to share your private key with any developers. Your private key will remain in the device in the Keystore file system. So some application right now ask you to import your private key in your browser when you want to connect. It's not the best way to do. That's why we made this solution for Hederage Graph. It's like Coinbase Wallet or Wallet Connect for Ethereum. It's a convenient way to connect to users' accounts. So any developer with any project can ask us right now, today, if they want to be on board for the first integration. We will help us to integrate. I will work with Alex Taylor to help Gomint to integrate. I think Peter is also aware about it. So we are also working with another marketplace. I think it's a Mint Master. We help developers to integrate the solution, and we want to continue this to help the community. We think there is a big space for NFT, for Hederage Graph. So we are here also to participate.
And it sounds like security of the HBAR in the wallet is of top concern for you, because you mentioned about the security in the browser, which has been a little bit, the browsers itself have their security issues. So you think that Xactwallet has overcome the security issues of browsers?
Yes, but actually, all mainly, I don't know their code, but mainly all wallets non-custodial will work like this. It's you use built-in security system in the device to secure the private keys. The good thing is we are following the rules. We are respecting the art for securing the private keys. We use the key store file system of the device. What is important to know is if your device is compromised, the hacker will have difficulties to decrypt to hack your private key anyway. It's not easily stealable. I don't know if we say that in English. It's not easy to get your private key, even if your device is hacked by this way. But your private key security depends mostly on your device. That's why we like also Ledger. Ledger is good because it's a different device. So you don't mix up the things, and we will integrate Ledger soon also.
So currently the wallet is not integrated with like the ledger, but you have.
No, actually, right now you import or you create an account on the app, and then your private key is stored in your device in the keystore file system of the device, encrypted. But we will integrate Ledger because I think it's important for some users. I'm using Ledger personally, so it's important for me too. And security is a top concern for every crypto developer, I think.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. And what's the stage of the project right now? Are you in beta or are you in full development?
For now, we consider to be in open beta, so we make the app available for everyone on the App Store and Google Play Store. We are actively working on new features for the wallet, and we are working with Hedera and some independent developers to provide this documentation, this SDK, this developer resource to integrate our wallet. It's our main focus right now. We are focusing on this. But maybe later in this conversation, we can talk on other projects we have for the
Yep,
community.
absolutely.
But you have this wallet right now. We made it, and we have this documentation for the developers ready right now with latest updates of Hedera. I think it's important for developers to know that they have a solution to interface with users' accounts. Exact is the first wallet to let you see your NFT with this user-friendly interface, so you can see your NFT in your wallet. It's important for the ecosystem on Hedera to have this ability for NFT buyers to see on the Hedera graph. We are the first to let you see actually your NFT. In the next update of the app, coming in the few days, in the next few days, you will have the 3D player, so you can check your 3D NFT in the app, and we will add also some features to preview your videos, your music NFT, to filter your NFT, to categorize it. We will add this kind of feature so you can organize your collection of NFT based on HTAs.
And it works.
Okay.
And it works great with Go Mint NFT. Jesus. Yeah, like if somebody
Yeah.
didn't, if somebody
Hey,
buys one of
Peter.
your NFTs, they can view it directly in Xactwallet. It's really an amazing wallet to have on Hedera.
So
Thank
you're
you.
Peter.
Wow.
Let me ask Peter something. So Peter, if someone is buys a Go Mint NFT, they can use it and see it on the Xactwallet.
Correct. Uh, correct. Xactwallet worked with us as he mentioned. He was working with Alex, my business partner and co-founder of GoMint, and yeah, it works great. If you go on, there's a little tab on there that you could click view my NFTs, and you could view all the NFTs you hold from GoMint right within Xactwallet.
Oh wow! So for people in the community that might not have heard Peter, we had Alex Taylor from KPay live on Spaces previously, and Alex is also working with Peter with on Go Mint. So that's just a little background there. And so Peter, so you must be excited about this feature being added to Go Mint.
Yes, I was very excited. Am I? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't. It didn't look like it was working. Yes, I was very excited when Xactwallet came out. We were talking to them a bit previously before it came out. It's very exciting because now you can do everything right on Xactwallet, even associate the token right there, right within their wallet. It makes the process with Hedera and NFTs 10 times easier than it was.
Describe a little more. So for now, when you want to buy an NFT on GoMint, for example, you will have to send a small amount of HBAR to an address, and then you can shop on GoMint. So you have to add to your cart. You have to associate the token manually on your Hedera Giraffe account. Then you have to send the correct, it's important, the correct amount of HBAR with the correct memo to GoMint account, and then you can you can have your NFT on your account. So in the future, if government, and I think they will integrate with Xactwallet, you will go to government, you will see your NFT that you want to buy, and just scan a QR code, or click on buy it. Then you will have a push notification on your Xactwallet application, and you will have to accept the transaction, and then you will receive directly the token in your wallet. That's it. It's like ordering on Amazon, so it will be a breeze to use.
So
Basically,
it's a new kind of wallet just for the NFTs in a way.
Not just for NFTs, but it works well with NFTs. But you can use it for many more, many use case. But I use
Now
the example of Garmin because I know it's important for people to get the idea.
yeah.
A derived graph NFT ecosystem, I mean HIP 17, as like 10 days ago. So it's really new, but I'm confident about this. I mean, I think a really big NFT ecosystem can grow on Ediraj Graph now, because we have the tools, we have the network working for NFT now. I think yes, you will have marketplace like OpenSea on Edurage Graph in the future. Government will work on this in the future.
Yeah,
So
we're aiming to be the go-to NFT market on Hedera. And just because we're on that topic, I just want to let everybody know, and because we received some comments about the UI of GoMint and everything else. Right now, we're a three-person team, and we're all volunteers at the moment. We're not drawing a salary. We all have day jobs. Well, with that being said, we are looking to improve, expand, and we got some things going on behind the scenes. If there's anybody out there that's interested in being a technical education liaison or account management or technical aspects, if they're looking for a position, please reach out to GoMint. Just want to put that out there for the people listening.
absolutely. And while we're on the subject, why don't you tell the community about the giveaway that GoMint is doing, Peter?
Yeah, so we've been running a few giveaways with Hedera. Excuse me, they're Hedera donated NFTs that they donated to us to give out to the community during the POC launch when we first went live. We're still doing it. We're having another giveaway this Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern, to next Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern. And all you have to do is purchase an NFT within that time frame, and you will win a one-of-one NFT directly from Hedera, which is a picture, which is one of their iconic moments in Hedera history. We did, I think, 3 in the past. I could be wrong about the number. I don't have it offhand right now, but we are doing some more, and it's a good opportunity to win a one-of-one NFT that was created by Hedera on GoMint.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, we should definitely look into that because that's always a great giveaway for the community. And I did want to mention that NFT Jesus has a new piece up on GoMint, and it is our Christian Hasker as a. Why don't you explain the image to the community, NFT Jesus?
Uh, how can I explain it? Chesker is a huge guy in the Edera community and stuff. And for me, as an artist, I just try to make, you know, the try to catch the best pixels of him and to put it through into this art piece.
Well, definitely. I think I have the link to the image on my timeline, but I'll repost it so everyone can see it. It's a great Hasker image for sure, and it's a part of your collection, which I think is awesome. If everybody wants to go to Go Mint and see what NFT Jesus is doing over there, it's well worth a
Yeah,
look, and they're very affordable. And I encourage everyone to think about purchasing one.
yeah.
Um,
I'm seeing this now as kind of art project that I don't know to where it's going to develop because I really believe in all Hedera and H bar
Well, I think that in
stuff.
general it speaks to what we all know about Hedera Hashgraph and HBAR. It's such a it's very new. It's just being discovered by some people now, and the space itself, like what Xactwallet is doing, and what you, Peter, are doing on Go Mint, and NFT Jesus with your artwork on Go Mint. We're also, it's like babies being born. We'll just, the exciting part for me is watching this all develop and come together. I think by
Yeah, yeah,
putting
yeah, exactly.
so it'll just it's an organic thing with HBAR and NFTs and Go Mint and Xactwallet because the community is driving it as opposed to other coins that are just hyped out of the out of the universe of nothingness, and so there's real value in building things like Xactwallet and Go
Yeah,
Mint.
yeah, yeah, yeah. But this is what I was trying to ask before because been talking to a lot of other people and things like this, and they're also really like it. But this kind of people, they are trading all their NFTs in like OpenSea
Yes.
and stuff, and then
Yes.
they are asking me when will it be, when it's all going to merge into like
I,
together, like because then it's going to be like a big boom, I would
I,
say.
I think it will be sooner than you think, because
Yeah, I wish.
for now, because you when you were not able to do that with the Raj graph, now you can. But some pieces were missing, and we had our piece, and now you will be able to have a secondary market, so you can trade your NFT, sell, buy, resell, make
Where
auction.
where is going to be the secondary market?
I'm speaking currently with at least three marketplaces working on it on Edelraj Graph, so I know
Wow,
it will be really soon. I'm not worried about this, but yes, it's really early for now, but it's
wow.
exciting to be there at first, I think.
It's more than exciting to me as an artist to do this, and I'm just been having
We just have to that with the recent upgrades on the main net of Hedera, the 18 and 19 upgrades have really been beneficial to developers and
yeah.
solved a lot of issues that developers were having. So now it's sort of full speed ahead. So I would say that, this fall, 2021, is going to be an explosive time for developers and Hedera.
Now you can set up royalties for your NFT, and I think it's important for artists to have this ability to set royalties to their art.
Absolutely. We have a community member that would like to comment or ask a question, and it's the Hcraft Punks. So if you'd like to speak, go right ahead.
Thank you. Yeah, this is a great conversation. My question is for Xactwallet. So we're at hcraftpunks.com. We're trying to build the first like full NFT collection, such as punks on other, vpunks, CryptoPunks, but trying to prove out Hedera Hashgraph as that solution for NFT creation and the ease of not paying $200 to buy a $50 NFT. So with Xactwallet, we're planning to base ours on HIP 18. And it sounded like you guys support 17. We plan on building a minting site so that someone hopefully would be able to connect my HBAR wallet or, Xactwallet and then mint the transaction from there. But did I hear that correctly, that HIP 18 and 19 is not supported by Xactwallet now? So we plan on rolling out in about the next 2 to 3 weeks. We wouldn't be able to like natively integrate with your wallet because you don't support the protocol, or could you expand on HIP support for 18 and 19?
18, we support 18 HIP, but 19 not yet. Actually, we will support all improvement, excuse me, but it's a work in progress. And you can reach us if you want. We can discuss how you can integrate your collection, your website with Xactwallet. But if your question is, can we mint NFT, create NFT with a solution provided by Xactwallet? Yes, we can. And yes, you will be able to sell NFT with a solution. You will be able to transfer automatically your NFT to user accounts with our solution. So maybe it's a good idea if you want to reach us so we can discuss it on Slack or Discord if you want, and help you to figure out how you can work with Xactwallet for your collection.
Yeah, that'd be fantastic. We have a couple engineers that have been working with Hashgraph for half a year, so being able to talk to you directly and understanding your documentation, and like the biggest part of HIP 18 is just the royalty and the custom fee asset.
Yeah.
So knowing that your wallet supports that would be great. Because
Yes.
we want to build this. This launch of Hcraft Punks is meant to be the hey NFT everyone. Like I know you guys are pushing all of this forward, NFT Jesus, and we want to be just a part of that story of Hedera Hashgraph can support very popular NFT collections and can blow it out in a way that is much more efficient and easy, and just want to focus a lot on the UX of it.
May I ask one question about the wallet also in terms, because you brought up fees. What kind of fees are associated with the wallet?
Yes, we are taking fees when you send in your bar. I think it's like maximum 15 cent, 45 cent. I don't know exactly, but it's minimal, and it's roofed, so you can't have big fees on Xactwallet. It's fixed on the dollar, so we will provide the fee the fee details on our website. But you have fees when you send HBAR, when you do a transaction. So imagine tomorrow you will go to a website integrated with Xactwallet and you want to buy an NFT. You will have these fees to send HBAR to the marketplace. But it's yes, it's like yes, it's like 45 cent for 10,000 HBAR. I don't know exactly, but it's minimal. We want to take the fees on a low basis for now because we need adoption, And the idea is to provide more solution in the future, like maybe we are working on it, maybe a premium membership, so you can have discount on partner website, and we want to work with this membership system in the future. But it's not decided yet.
And is your wallet, does it have any future projects involving e-commerce sites or anything in in vein?
Yes, we participated to the Filecoin Hedera challenge recently. So we made a solution called Exact Checkout, soon available for everyone. So with Exact Checkout, you can connect your wallet with Xactwallet, list your NFT for sale. So if you have an NFT from, I don't know, NFT Jesus, for example, you can sell it directly by
Yeah.
creating a checkout page. You can create easily a checkout page and put the link on Twitter, on Facebook, and users can buy directly from you the NFT you sell. In the future, for
This is
the
awesome.
yes, and for the NFT created from the recent date, you will have the royalties applied for artists, obviously.
That sounds amazing. And with the I think Exact Checkout is going to rock the world. I mean, I'm looking for solutions in that vein, because I think people will start using, at least I'm hoping, people will start using HBAR as a more of a checkout option on websites and things.
Yes, exactly. And Exact Checkout is it's an application we did for the challenge, but we are willing to develop it further and to add option to the application, like adding maybe randomness to this. So imagine you are an NFT artist willing to sell your NFTs. With Exact Checkout, you will be able to add some randomness giveaway in each buying. So you create your sale page, your checkout page, and one user will receive automatically a free NFT. For example, if you decide to give away one NFT. So we will add features to Exact Checkout. We want to develop it further, but we also provide with the web wallet we will launch. I hope in the next days, we will provide a solution for users, for people to create their own NFT online directly on mainnet with royalties, with uh, completely no minimal fees. We will have this option in the web wallet when it launch. I think in the next few days. I can't wait to show you what we are building, but we have many things on the roadmap right now, and we work with different developers team. I know that NFT ecosystem on Hedera Graph will be brilliant. I'm sure about this.
I think once these kind of solutions are integrated and up and running and available for people to use, and the fees are uh, discovered by the community, uh, that's one of the things that I think Ethereum is never going to be able to solve. And even when I remember a video that Lehman Baird did about just different companies, like you were talking about OpenSea, NFT Jesus, all of these
Yeah.
solutions. They'll people will just generate towards different solutions. There's Amazon and there's Walmart. There's OpenSea and there's GoMint. One does not make one go away. It's just that everyone will choose whichever platform they desire. But I think,
Yeah, but OpenSea is like gathering all the all
well,
the blockchains and this, and I'm wondering because I'm an artist. I less into the coding and understanding how everything works. So like, how is it? What is the route to bring H bar stuff to OpenSea? Is
no,
it like
it's not going. OpenSea will not have H bars. It's a totally different platform.
Mm.
Ethereum
I,
doesn't work with Hashgraph, but
I think he wants to say what it takes for Ederage Graph to have an OpenSea-like marketplace.
uh,
I think,
If I understand it.
what
yeah,
do you think, Peter?
no, and I think NFT Jesus eventually, with everybody starting to work on Hedera and the development happening, Hedera will end up having a bigger market than OpenSea. But that's down the road. I think right now the possibilities on Hedera are just becoming apparent because Hedera is going to be huge. The possibilities are endless, and I mean, I don't want to speak to other companies, but I mean, it's quite well known that Jordan Freed, who used to be with Hedera Hashgraph, he just bought NFT.com and they're working on NFT.com. So, I mean, and GoMint is working on our marketplace as well. Xactwallet's working. That you have all these projects that are just going to evolve. And I mean, even like I said, I don't even know if they're going to be competition for GoMint or what their goal is, but NFT.com, just the domain name itself is huge. It's a three-letter domain that's probably worth at least $1 million. I mean, so I think the NFT marketplaces on Hedera are gonna blow anything on Ethereum out of the water, in my personal opinion.
I completely agree, because if you talk to people,
boom? Totally.
if you talk to collectors who actually purchase on OpenSea, I rarely hear them talk about the collection. I hear them talk about the gas fees. It's they spend a fortune paying for things.
Yeah, and in Hadera, there is the best one for the gas fees and for the environment and everything.
Absolutely, you're 100%, Alex, because once people discover Hedera, and we're still in a very discovery phase, once they discover that it's the greenest of the green, uh, that's going to make a big difference in people's decision on where they're going to buy things. And once they discover that the fees are minuscule compared to gas fees on Ethereum, that's going to impact people. So I think we just have to, use the technology that we're building on, and understand that these things are going to evolve organically. And that's how the whole company of Hedera has been built from the beginning, is an organic type of yeah, discovery for people. In my HBAR stories, how did you discover it? How did you discover it? But once it's out there, I think it's going to boom.
Yeah, and just to add to that, I don't know if everybody's aware of the Hedera auction that they're coming out with, and that's coming out soon. And it was something I believe the first two people to help with this auction on the test net were Suku and us at GoMint. So Hedera is constantly rolling out new features. Uh, as well as with the hips, like new features are constantly rolling out, and um, for developers like for us at GoMint, it can be frustrating because you build on one thing and then all of a sudden there's other features you can implement. I mean, but once all these developers catch up, I mean, like even as Xactwallet was saying, there's HIP 17 right now, and then HGraph Punks was just bringing up HIP 18 and 19. You can implement these things, but it takes time when you already built on one thing prior. So I think when everybody catches up and everything gets set in stone, Hashgraph is going to be huge. I mean, it already is. People talk about it already, but as far as being as widely known as Ethereum or even Bitcoin for that matter, it's just a matter of time before people realize, as NFT Jesus was saying, we are the green option on Hedera. Hedera is the green option. It is the low fee option. Once people start to see this and realize this, it's only a matter of time before we have things that are huge on Hedera.
No, I completely agree. It's very much like when the internet first started. There was developing on in the beginning was extremely intensive because no code was developed. But now there's snippets of code all over the place, and the same thing is going to be happening with Hedera. Developers
I hope, but I think it's a Hedera developer community. It's just starting. What I want to say to developers, maybe listening to us today or later, is with Hedera you will have support from Hedera to develop your solution. It's not always easy to implement new features, new HIP, but Hedera is there to help you. For Xactwallet, we have help from time to time from the Hedera team, and that's important for developers to know they can get support from Hedera to develop their solution, and also from the community. Developers from different projects talked together. I think it's just starting, and we can just grow from there on Hedera Graph.
What were you going to say, Peter?
Oh, sorry.
Oh no, I was just going to say I completely agree. The community on Hedera is amazing. The support from both the community and Hedera themselves is just amazing. As he was saying, there's always somebody there to help you, whether it's somebody that another company would perceive as competition, another developer, or Hedera themselves. Everybody in this community helps each other, and it's amazing. That's all I wanted to say.
It's completely true. And what were you going to say, HGraph?
Oh yeah. So I wanted to ask Xactwallet, and this might be like a broader question, but the support of other Hedera tokens, like so if you create a token, obviously you're going to support NFT tokens. But when you create we're looking to create a staking pool and our own currency on Hedera Hashgraph, sort of in line with how vpunks does it. We just thought that was a very innovative way to integrate both the NFT function, but also bringing new innovative things like staking your NFT using. They have VPU, and we're gonna build HGP. But do you have support for I think it's a third party, but other tokens that aren't HBAR but are created with HBAR and created on the mainnet to show up in your wallet?
You mean Hedera token? Yes, we plan to add full support of Hedera Graph token in the future. For now, we are focused on the NFT because it's on demand. It's a demand of the people. But yes, you will have this support in the especially in the web wallet. The web wallet of Exact will be like a tool, an application online connected to your Xactwallet mobile application. With this web wallet, you will be able to perform action like create NFT, but also other action related to Hedera token non-NFT. So it's planned, but I don't have the detail for now. That's why I think it's a good idea for your team to talk with us, so we can maybe know what you are willing to build exactly, and if we can help you to integrate, if we are useful for you for your project, uh, we can discuss it. But yet, yes, the goal for Xactwallet is to support in the future both NFT created on Hedera Graph, but also any token created on Hedera Graph. It's the goal of the app.
Awesome. Yeah, we'll definitely reach out through email. Thank you.
Sounds amazing.
Just a question about wallets. Can you import a current wallet that you have into Xactwallet? I mean, if you have a
Yes, you can import your account even if you created it on other solution. You can import your account on Xactwallet. For now, we only enable import from private key. So you will have to provide your private key to your device to import the account.
I see.
Well, once again, the private key is in your device and only in your device. But in the future, we will add the Keystar file import also and Ledger integration. Problem with Ledger integration for now is they don't fully support Hedera token service. So if you want to hold some NFT or some token created on Hedera with an account on a ledger, you will have difficulties. You will have some problem. But I think Ledger is working on it. So maybe we will. This will be fixed before we integrate Ledger to Xactwallet. I don't have this information, but to answer your question, yes, you can import any account on Xactwallet.
Okay, that's really great. Okay, so we have about 5 or 6 more minutes left of the talk. So I know that you wanted to speak, Baptista, about some future projects that, I mean, you've mentioned a few already. Do you have any other future projects that you wanted to let us know about?
Yes, I can speak about what we want to build for the future. I want to say that our main goal today is to provide this integration for developers. It's important for us to say that. So that's why I say to Drive Punk, do not hesitate to reach us. We can discuss how we can be useful for the community developers to provide this solution to interface with Hedera Graph users account securely. So you will not have to ask for import private key or create a new account for your users. I think it can be a game changer for the whole network. I mean, if we have this solution for developers to easily, and it's really easy to integrate Xactwallet to their application, they will be able to develop faster and with more confidence. It's really easy to integrate. It's like a few lines of code. So do not hesitate. We will add some features, and yes, we are working on different projects. I mentioned exact checkout. Yes, I mentioned the web wallet, the web tool wallet, and also we will partner with marketplace. I hope in the future, like Gomint, to provide a set of solution to develop the NFT ecosystem on Hedera.
Well,
I hope also.
that sounds amazing. That's a lot of work you're doing, that's for sure. So,
Thanks.
all right, we have about 3 or 4 more minutes, and I wanted to give Peter a chance to, say whatever you want to do towards the end of our spaces.
Sure, thank you. I just want to add, it just came to mind after HGraph Punks was talking about their project. Um, Go Mint isn't only an NFT marketplace. Primarily, we provide SaaS models behind the scenes for clients. Most people may not know, but like there's a record company was based out of LA. Now they're based out of Nashville, I believe. They're called Lion Eye Records. They have a recording artist, Marin Riley. When anybody joins her fan club, they get an NFT, and it's completely done on the back end and done by Go Mint. So it's not something that's on our website that you can see. And we do provide solutions for other creators and for businesses looking to get into NFTs or other solutions on Hedera. I just wanted to put that out there because primarily people see GoMint as this NFT marketplace, and that's all they see. That is not all we are. I just wanted to let the community know that there's more details on gomint.co if anybody needs any solutions or anything of that nature. I just wanted to put that out there, like I said. And also, again, I just want to stress because we got a lot of comments about UI, UX. We have some funding coming in, and the site is going to improve. And we're working on a lot of new features in the near future.
Well, I'm happy that you told us that because I wasn't aware of that, and that's very exciting to know. And I understand about UX, UI development, and I know that in the future it's going to rock for sure. And really happy that you came here and told us about the giveaway that you're doing, and I'll check it out, and I encourage the community to check it out. And I also wanted to give you, Alex, NFT Jesus, a chance to say whatever you wanted to as we get towards the end of our space. I hope you enjoy.
I just can wish all of you and everything that will be good. I
Okay.
have no much more stuff to say, but I see the future.
Well, the future is Hello Future. It is Hedera and it is HBAR.
Yeah.
And I'm really excited that you are on our spaces again today. And I hope you'll come
Yes.
again.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, my pleasure. My pleasure. I really want to.
Oh, and thank you for having me as well.
What's that, Peter?
And
I just said thank
yeah,
you for
Peter,
having me as well.
nice to hear you also. So
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
was a really nice time.
Oh, I'm glad you came. Well, thank you so much,
Thank you.
Peter. It was just awesome talking to you again. And I want to know more about the back end of Go Mint. So we can go to gomint.co for that.
Yeah, there is some information there, and anybody could reach out through email if they wanted to, as well. There's a contact form or help@gomint.co is an email address. And I just wanted to stress again, thank you for having me. I really appreciate it.
Oh, no, our pleasure. Baptista, you've been rocking. I can't believe all the information you've given us. And I really appreciate your coming on. And for the community, I'll put this on this audio. I'll do a little promo video and put the audio on here because there was so much information in this spaces. I know I'm going to have to go back and listen to it all again. So, Baptista, is there anything you want to say before we end this space?
Just thank you for having me too. I hope you will continue your Twitter Spaces.
Oh,
useful for the community.
every Thursday.
I
Okay.
really hope that in the next days, weeks, something like this, something big is gonna happen.
Oh, I have no doubt about that, and the community doesn't either. There's really big things coming out in the fall for Hedera, and for our community. Our community keeps getting stronger, and so does HBAR. To the moon. So HGraph, it was really great meeting you, and please, DM me, and we'll maybe do a little spaces with your project when you're ready for it. So I really appreciate you coming, and I'll end this space now and thank everybody for coming, and see you again real soon. Hello, future.
And I just saying Valhalla from Norway, and wish you all the best time ever.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, so I'll end this now, and we'll see you all on Twitter. Thanks again. Bye-bye.
Bye.